box I got today, and it has my baggies in there. Yay! So this is my bag for. I only use this bag for a couple of things. Like, you know, the rest I use these bags, and I like using both. So that's just something I like to do. So with these bags, I normally just put my rose. You can see it up here. My rose soap in there, and that's what I normally use. My rose soap, and I was thinking about putting my oatmeal honey also in this bag. Also, I was thinking about putting my oatmeal honey and turmeric also in this bag. So I mean, that's just something to work up to. Guys, my printer is getting on my nerves. Like, I cannot stand my printer. I love my printer right now because it does the job. Hands down, it definitely does the job. But when it comes to printing a whole lot of stuff, like I have put a whole lot of labels to print, that thing always run out of ink. The other day I just bought, like, not even exaggerating, 8 color ink color. The boxes I brought 8 boxes. The black I brought 6. So I already had like 2 boxes already of the black ink color for the printer. But now I need to go get a couple of more boxes because I have blue and I have red, but the yellow. So I ran out the yellow, and then I have to go get some more. And it is time consuming because let me put that back in this box. So I have, so let me just say, I have like 500 of these to put for my soaps, and I may run out. And I also have like 500 of these, like these bags, and I also may run out because I have that many soaps to bag, and I cannot wait until I am done. So hopefully, I'm hoping to be done tomorrow. Yeah, guys, this is a moment when you have so many things on your mind, and you like not too sure. You're not too sure whether it's going to be possible for you to get everything that you need to get done, completed. But we're gonna get back to this video. Bagging these soaps so I can put together my tropical carrot soap. And I cannot wait to put that soap together. I can't, because it's gonna be, I love it. Oh my goodness, the smell of that oil. Ooh. All right, so that's one soap that I actually blend. I actually use the essential oils, and I did a blend to make it like a tropical smell. And whenever I smell this, it smells like that tropical carrot drink that you'll get from the store. I like carrots. I love carrots. I love carrot juice. And one thing I can say about that essential oil, oh my goodness, it smells amazing. Like, I don't know whether I really want to parade the carrots. Like, I was thinking about parading carrots and putting in the soap, but I think that just may be a little bit too much. Like, people do that. And I mean, it just may be the bomb soap if you do that. But, I don't need to. I don't think I need to do all that. So, yes, I don't know. My eyes may be looking up top instead of to the side, or it should be. But I'll put it like this. I'm still trying to get this thing right. I haven't yet figured out how to use my camera, so it's still sitting, waiting for me to figure it out, I guess. So put this in the back so this this will be at least standing up at least somewhat. Yeah, so still waiting for my camera. Is here I took it. Here I took the lens off. So I do have a camera that I can use, but I know how to take pictures, but I don't quite know how to do the video. And I tried it before, like a couple of years ago, because I was into photography, but come to find out that I really don't like doing photography. And it took me so long to figure out what I really like. So this is how I have my setup with all my soaps. Each shelf is different. Each shelf have a different soap in there besides my specialty soap, because I don't make a whole lot of my specialty soap. And I know my specialty soap I probably make, I don't know, I haven't really came up with a number, but I'm thinking maybe like near 500 maybe. Thinking I maybe start out with 300 with my specialty soap. But with the soap that I know everybody likes, that's the one I really make a whole lot of. So I do have to make some more lavender. I do have to make some more black mint soap. But I think like 300 black mint soap downstairs. I also have a whole lot of the rose soap, maybe like 250. I think 250 downstairs. So you know what? It may not be a lot. It may not be that much. I probably need to recount it, because this is how it used to look, like this small. And this was the old branding that I made, that I created my old labels. And compared to how this look right now to this look right here, this is fine. And this is how it used to be this size, like my cuts. And it used to always come out like different. So, and that's one thing I did not like. So I invested in a cutter, a soap cutter. And it comes out better. Actually, I have a whole lot of these. My family used a whole lot of these, the oatmeal honey soap, and they love it. And I love it too, because, I love my soaps, and I'm not biased, but I love my soaps. They do for me what I know they would do for you, and you will love it for your body. And this is the soap that I was talking about before. Maybe I was talking about to somebody else, but nonetheless. But this is my antioxidant soap. And why I name it antioxidant, my super antioxidant soap, because it has a lot of good properties in here for your skin, far as when it comes to protection barriers, when it comes to detoxing your skin. This is the spinach bar. It has spinach, tea tree, and peppermint in here. When I say I made it to be like a facial soap, because I have a son that has acne on his skin, acne on his face rather. He's like acne prone on his face. So I made that for him. So to see how it will work, because I know tea tree and peppermint is good for breaking all that whatever's on his skin, whatever he's leaving on his face, or whatever's in his pores to come out. And spinach has an antioxidant that will help the skin, that will protect the skin rather from any skin damage. And so that's one of the things that I just thought to put together. And I'm just saying, like, it really smells good. Like, I'm not even gonna say it does not smell good. It smells like a facial soap, like a minty facial soap that you would use on your face. But one thing I do know about this, y'all, let me tell you, it definitely cuts down on body foam. When I got teenagers, and sometimes their hygiene is not all, you know what I'm saying, like that. And I'll be like, listen, brother, you better go upstairs, take this antioxidant bar in the shower with you, and get it cracking, okay? Because I hate that. And I'll be like, you know what? It's not really good. Like it has a minty smell. Like I like mint. I like the smell of mint. And now before, like when I cut, I'm gonna tell you like this. You have to wait a couple of days, and I don't care what soap you make. Sometimes soaps, they don't smell good after cutting. Like you're smelling like, oh damn, I know this joint gonna be hot. I know this joint gonna be smelling good. You cut it like, it smells kind of funny. Like I actually had my daughter tell me that before with the oatmeal honey. We was cutting soaps one day, and she was like, "Mom, this soap smells funny." And I'm like, "It does smell funny," but I was like, "It was smelling good before." She was like, "I know." My 6-year-old. I tell you, these kids is funny. But yeah, my 6-year-old. So she like, "Mom, it smelled real funny," and I don't think I like it right now. I'm like, okay, babe. You don't have to like it right now. It's fine. Just know that after I leave it let it dry up just a little bit, it starts smelling good again. And she's like, okay. I like the smell of lemon. I really do. So, but I like the mint smell because of the smell. It opens up my nostrils. My sinuses be okay after I smell like a mint more. Because I have this tree that's outside, and I can tell you all the time, every time I walk to my car or go outside, go get the mail, or just go outside, period. That tree bothers me. My nose starts to itching. I start sneezing. That's when I tend to say, damn, yo, I can't wait until the winter. Because that's the only time it doesn't bother me. That's the only time it doesn't bother me. The winter. So I guess like right now, 12:41. I fell asleep earlier, and I knew I felt when I put my kids down to go to bed, it's early. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm packing these soap because I should have did it earlier when I was putting them to sleep or after they fell asleep. I tend to sit with my twins and my baby girl so they can fall asleep because they just want to hang out with mommy. So if I show them like, okay, I'm laying down with y'all, they tend to wind down. Now, like, wow, it is something. But nonetheless, I should have been up packing these soaps. Oh man, this one kind of crazy. I should have been up, labeling these soaps, and I will probably be good right now. Or probably not. Hey guys, what you see me doing here, I'm talking about the business and me being up late and getting things prepared and everything for the upcoming launch date that I do have. So, and I will be announcing that very soon. There will be a video regarding that. And yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing. I'm packing these soaps, I'm putting them away to store them for orders to come in. Also, I have more to pack, so there's more that I have to do. Also, a soap that I have to make that I want to make is like a different scent, and that's my tropical carrot. And I also wanted to make a video on my blending different fragrances, not fragrances, essential oils, because that's all that I do. I deal with essential oils. And not saying there's anything wrong with the fragrance oils, it's just that me personally, I like essential oils. It does better, it does something for the body, mind, and soul. So, that's basically what I'm doing. So, I am about to actually cut this video short. So I also wanted to say thank you guys for tuning into the video, watching the video, and yeah, so stay tuned for other videos, and definitely when I get ready to make the soap, I am going to film that, and I can't wait. Oh, and I also have a facial video coming up, so just look out for that, because I will be using my own soaps, and you'll see how it lathers, you'll see how it works, and we will be doing it for 5 days. So for everyone that tunes in, just know that if you want to leave a comment or something down the bottom, feel free to. And I will be picking someone to give some soaps to. It will be a giveaway. So, and I also will be making the body oil to the soap. So there will be a giveaway at the end of my 7th video. So at the end of my 7th video that will be coming up, because this will be the 6th one, this will be the 6th video, but the 7th video, which will be my day 1 facial video, at the end of that, I will be picking a individual to send soaps to. So leave a comment down the bottom, let me know if there's anything else that y'all want to see. I'm doing it for you guys, so definitely tune in. And if you haven't, like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. See you guys.
Insert.